Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is John Junti again, back with a new vlog. Today we are here in a potato farm again. You can see here we are getting ready to go inside the field. This is a small garden. This is a garden. You can see me here. We are queuing for our lunch. This is the gate, field gate. We are heading forward to our small hut. This is the view of the field, Maram field. So green, you can see the greenery. We are heading forward here. Such a lovely view. Let me show you the full view. Whoa. Two helicopters flying around above our field. You can see there. And finally, we are back. We are here to our destination, to our hut. The view inside the hut is like this. Vang. You can see that there is a fencing there in the field from here to here. These are all the farm, potato farm. Only potato. This much. We are here to harvest the potato. No. They are going to harvest for this year for the first time, so we'll see the result. Till then, see you all there. You can see how much we can get from here. And this is the owner. I'm here. This is the owner. He's coming with the chicken. Senke Onsrenhan.
Hello. Why?
Manipur is full of problems, so you can see here again one helicopter is coming there. I don't know what is happening. Another. Wait, tak lagi kita nunggu masle. The garden. These are the gardens. You can see the toilet. The toilet. Well, sir, the water. The water is here for the use of toilet, and for eating is we have to go and take from the pond. Pond is around somewhere here. We have to go and take. Hey, 뒤봐 난가. 나기도. Oh, snap pipes ah. Oh, okay. This is the source. Yeah, I think ready. None is that way. See, this is how we use. This is how they use the water. Back view of the house. You can see the garden. They are going to harvest soon. This is brinjal, and this is just a flower. Such a lovely flower. Entrance of. So guys, we are finally back in the field potato farm here. You can see here we are entering from here. This is the view there, from there, here, tilted, and then here. Not that big, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plot. This is how we're going to enter here. Mr. Barak, my small brother is opening the gateway to enter. And here's my auntie. Hagi dan doa tunala lima. Oh, wait, kuna lina. Kipon lina semua datang pada saja. Asung kemana? Oh, so many big. Actually, we're opening this. Oh, bravo! Kaya see here the baby honeybee. This is honey. You can see here. Ta ta da! This is how we collect the potato. This is not that big, but we'll see. Hoping for the best. This is a local. That's why.
Local.
This is pure local. Hoping for the best to get a good harvest for this year. To get a good harvest for this year. Okay. These are the plants. You can see here. You can see there. Oh, it's big. Damn care. Yeah. Since we don't know how to collect, my auntie's teaching us how to collect. You can see here. This is potato, guys. Pure local potato. Organic. No any pesticides or insecticide. Hello guys, I got a sting here. I got a sting from the bee here. You can see here my fish is bulging out. I got here one. Yeah, just above my eyes. I got here one. You can see here, and next is I got here. Guys, you can see here half of the size of the egg. The egg under this is all half size. I know can tangsa ka pai ka da. Oh. Next, hoping for the best to get a big piece from here. Roy. I'll just keep it in my pocket. Oh, this much, bro. This much. Okay. Getting this much piece only from one tree. Oi. Ulo, untuk ulo. From one tree, we are getting this much. You can see here. Oh. Getting ready for hunting bee. Collecting bee. Oh, very dangerous. Oh, very dangerous. Bee is hunting. Padda. Muindaga. Oh, kino apa tu jenis lo? Oh, pakada. Wow. Kada lo. Lo migi chung tu lo. Migi terang sak piuda. Oh, lu le pakada le punya. Sangde. Ne te pon pakada nu ro li dala. One update about this potato. I heard that this potato can eat with raw. These are the potato we are getting now. Currently this much we got. I heard this is something which we can eat raw. This is also a vegetable which we can eat raw. So my brother, my cousin, little brother, he also was eating. This is the raw potato. This is the raw potato. This is not a cooked potato. This is a raw potato. Okay. You can see here. He also was eating. I heard it is sweet in taste. So. Nanga taste. How is it taste?
Nice.
Sweet or how is it?
Yeah, sweet.
Cause look at sauce. Sauce. No, turn. This is a raw potato. He just peel out the cover. Only. You complete. You finish everything. How is it taste?
Nice.
What is it taste like?
I like some a bit bitter.
Bitter.
Like that.
And then.
Nice.
No, this is something which is very unique also. I heard this is the first time I'm getting the information that we can eat raw. Okay, so far this much we have collected now. You can see here this much we have collected from Uza Kalamak farm. You can see here one bura is here and another one is we're still collecting here. Here you can see another one is here. This is the harvest. You can see the harvest, how much we got here. This must, I think this is a red potato, local organic potato. Hey, sunna. Hey. This is the medium size, I can say. I have medium size, me. We're getting the medium size. Now, so there are some big ones also, but what we mean to say is from this pura we got this is the medium size, bigger one also there. You can see 2 inch. It's kind of a 2 inch. I think if this much productive, the land of Maramis, if the land of Maramis this much productive, we must also promote this kind of farming and start setting up the business in and around this Maram area. We must not only focus on the outside products, outside uses. We must also focus on our own resources. Okay, one tips for today. Through this channel, people see, you can see and around the land of Maram. This is the soil. It's not that bad. We Maram people don't need to focus only on outside products. We can also use our own things. This is one of the best idea I can say. We can have our own farm, we can have our own business by setting up all these things. This is also one of a business which you can set up in around Maram area. You can see here this much productive. See here. Oof. This is the potato we're getting. We are collecting from the field at we are collecting from the field at Ngakang at Uza Kalamak farm, potato farm. You can see in around people there, a lot of field are there which stays empty, nothing is there, just only waiting for the season to cultivate for the crops. It's only a waste. So people must watch this channel and start setting up your own business. You can see there my brother is busy working and I'm busy vlogging from here. Taro. And here you can see my auntie Neo. Kisalo biga. Hi lo. Hi, welcome back lo biga.
Hi, welcome back.
Hey, you can see my auntie. She's so energetic. She's searching from before, but till now she's so energetic because now she's getting her result, what she has planted for. Even though she's tired, she's happy of what. There is also a saying goes, what you sow, you shall reap. I'm not a preacher, but I'm just setting you off what I have thoughts right now, what I'm thinking right now. So she's she's getting what she's getting what she sowed. She's getting she's reaping what she sowed. Okay, guys, forgive my English, but you know, this is a stepping stone for me. I'm coming up, slowly coming up. I hope one or the other day, I'll become a successful person, successful social influencer. Till then, see you. Now I'm going for work. See you again after before lunch. See you again before lunch. How much we got, and after lunch we'll do some sorts working. After that, total I'll show you. Till then, watch my video till the end. Don't skip any second. You will show something interesting, the result of what they have planted. Bye. I'll show you how much we got before lunch. This much we got only. Lakay chung kula. Only this much lakay tolo.
As kebay lang na na.
This much we got only.
Hello, kita na po yung bidang salo.
This is another one. You can see here. I know, my nangi kita lumi mahina.
Nang na kaya nang na pung lemay. Nang pung na.
Hello, sa pung sa kawa.
Hello, kilo te. Bakos lo.
I'll try. Since I know pung sa lakat limi. Wow, this much solely. We got here one, here two. Only this much. What's the house lo biga? This much only we got. One. Ay dapat kerang mo dapat ka. One basket, yeah.
And
One basket and half sack. You can see here. This is not a thing. You can see here. One basket. Okay, let me carry. Hello guys, we're going back to the farm.
Oh, it's so very heavy, yeah.
It's tolo.
It's very heavy.
Hello guys, I'm going back. This much we got only. So okay, let's go. Going to lunch.
Oh,
The beehive, honeybee is having right now, and this is a curry. Uncle has prepared for us. You can see this is how we eat, but so sad. I don't eat these kind of things. I didn't eat any bee. I don't like. Finally, we are done. Till here for today. Finally, we are done for today. Till here, you can see there. Till there, three of us. We are done for today. Now we are heading forward back to our home. See you guys. I'll show you the total potatoes we have collected for today. I'll see you when you reach in the house. As of now, you can see there. I just kept there. Now we are heading back to our home slowly. After the lunch, we have collected this much. One is taken by my brother, and he went. Now I'm carrying this much. I'll show you the total how much we have collected for the day. Hello guys, this is the overall potato we got from the farm at Kalemak, Oza Kalemak potato farm. This is the overall potato. One bag is there. This is the overall. If anyone is willing to buy, please do contact. I'll give a number in the screen. You can contact there. I'll just give here. Okay, bye. This is the end of the vlog. Till then, see you again in my next vlog. This is John Tunti reporting from Ngakang field. Reporting from this field. Bye. Finally, we're going back by to Tilu field at Maram field. We are going back now. Hello. Sino pinang napili ka? Mana? Pili kita tuh loh. Ada apa? Oi. Going back to Bagong. Guys, it's the view. Hi. Bye bye.